Welcome back to Healthy Hub Daily, your source for book-powered health wisdom that transforms lives. In part 1 of our fiber-fueled series, we learned why the gut microbiome is the foundation of overall health, and how dietary fiber, especially from plants, fuels it. But today we're going even deeper. In part 2, we explore why our modern lifestyles are destroying our gut health, what's really behind food intolerances, and the number 1 strategy Dr. B recommends to heal the gut from within. Let's dive in. The gut is in crisis. We're in the middle of a gut health epidemic. More people than ever are dealing with bloating, food sensitivities, constipation, autoimmune diseases, mood disorders, and metabolic issues like obesity and diabetes. So what's going wrong? Dr. B identifies 5 key gut-damaging factors of modern life. Low-fiber diets, full of ultra-processed food, antibiotic overuse, wiping out good bacteria, environmental toxins, pesticides, additives, pollution, chronic stress, which inflames the gut, lack of sleep and exercise, both essential for microbiome balance. The result? Our gut bacteria are under attack, and our health is paying the price. Are food intolerances real? Let's talk about something controversial: food intolerances. Many people today feel like they can't digest certain foods, like gluten, beans, or certain vegetables, and start cutting them out entirely. But Dr. B offers a different perspective. He says that in many cases, it's not the food, it's your damaged gut. When your gut is inflamed or lacking the right bacteria, it can't properly digest certain fibers. So foods like lentils, broccoli, or even fruit can trigger symptoms, not because they're bad, but because your gut is too weak to handle them. The solution? Not restriction, but rehabilitation. Gut rehab, rebuild, don't restrict. Dr. B teaches a powerful concept: the reintroduction protocol. Instead of permanently cutting foods out, you can train your gut to tolerate them again, slowly, gently, and intentionally. Here's how. Start with small amounts of the food you struggle with. Pair it with gut-healing foods like fermented veggies or prebiotics. Increase fiber intake gradually. Track your symptoms, and give your gut time to adapt. Over time, your microbiome adjusts. It gets stronger, more diverse, and better able to digest a wide range of foods. This process isn't instant, but it's sustainable healing, not short-term avoidance. Why you need fermented foods? Another major tool in gut healing is fermented food, like sauerkraut, kimchi, kefir, miso, or plain yogurt. These foods are natural sources of probiotics, living bacteria that help balance your microbiome. Even just 2 tablespoons of fermented veggies a day can reduce inflammation, improve digestion, and support immune function. Dr. B suggests adding fermented foods slowly, especially if your gut is sensitive, but making them a daily part of your healing journey. The microbiome mindset shift. Here's the most powerful mindset Dr. B offers. Don't fear food. Respect your gut. Don't restrict forever. Rebuild wisely. Healing the gut isn't about cutting more and more foods out. It's about building resilience from the inside out, with fiber, plant diversity, and microbial nourishment. Key takeaway from part 2. Most gut issues are not permanent diseases, they're imbalances that can be healed. The key is to stop fighting your body and start feeding it right. In part 3, we'll uncover the exact fiber-fueled meal plan, how to get 30+ plant points per week, and how Dr. B makes gut-healing meals easy, satisfying, and sustainable. If you found value in this episode, leave a like, subscribe, and tell us in the comments. What's one food you want to reintroduce, and why? Let's heal together, one fiber-fueled meal at a time. Until next time, this is Healthy Hub Daily reminding you: don't just eat clean, eat diverse. Welcome back to Healthy Hub Daily, your source for